Company profile. Sinovo Transmission Technologies Company Limited is a subcontractor centering on China and aiming at global market, mainly as OEM and ODM possessing rich experience, especially in fabrication, industrial gearbox and windmill gearboxes designing, machining, assembling, precision machining of mechanical components, raw material forming supply chain management, as well as designing and engineering outsourcing service of industrial parts. The main products and service fields cover metallurgy, mining equipment, wind energy, chemical engineering pump, flow meter, oil and gas, locomotive, and shipbuilding, etc. Our quality policy: to fulfill the satisfaction of our customers, to keep improving quality from all aspects, to raise the enterprise quality standard constantly. Quality and technical assurance. With a complete quality assurance system, Sinovo successfully got ISO 9001-2008 and ISO 3834 certified in 2008. Sinovo boasts a professional technical team consisting of engineers averagely aged above 50 who have rich technical experience in metal cutting, especially in aspects of process fixture designing, cutting tool designing, and cutting parameter optimization, and so on. While constantly improving the cutting efficiency, the team has been reducing the machining cost for customers. Our capacity. Fabrication capability. Sinovo has a fabrication assembling plant, mainly for manufacturing important fabrication of metallurgical equipment and its components, mining equipment and its components, heavy-duty machinery components, wind power components, precision machine tools components, etc. We also offer NDT service, for example, like UT, MT, PT, VT. In addition, Sinovo enjoys a long-term stable cooperative relation with lots of famous enterprises like CFHI, Japan Nippon Steel Corporation, Matto, German GROB, Japan Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, FAW Volkswagen, etc. Design and assembly of wind power and conventional gearbox. Sinovo has an excellent design team consisting of 5 engineers with over 20 years of design experience in transmission equipment. The team members are versed in designing non-standard transmission equipment in iron and steel mill, metallurgy, mining and port equipment. With the aid of AutoCAD, SolidWorks, Keysoft, we can provide relevant product and product reports according to the criteria and characteristic curves from customers. We also can provide components of wind power. All components are made by precision machining and delivered after CMM inspection, for example, planet carrier of stage 1-2, input shaft, housing assembly, etc. Machinery capability. Sinovo has a wide variety of large-scale CNC precision machining equipment and professional operators. Our high-precision equipment mainly comes from Germany and Japan, including CNC gantry boring and milling center, travel 4,250 by 3,400 by 1,650 millimeters, and loading capacity 10,000 kilograms. Large-scale CNC heavy-duty Korean horizontal lathe, swing diameter 2,000 millimeters, cutting length 5,000 millimeters, and a maximum loading capacity of 12 tons. CNC Korean horizontal boring milling center, travel 3,000 by 2,000 by 1,600 millimeters. CNC Korean turning center, swing diameter 3,000 millimeters plus C, maximum loading capacity of 20 tons. CNC Taiwan turning center, swing diameter 2,000 millimeters plus C, as well as many CNC vertical lathes, CNC horizontal and vertical machining centers. In addition, Sinovo's operators are also given regular training in order to well operate above equipment. Our crane capacity is sufficient, maximum 25 tons. Dimension measurement capacity. 3 high-precision CMMs respectively are German lathes, floor type, model PMMG, travel 4000 by 3000 by 2000 millimeters, hexagon table type, 1500 by 900 by 800 millimeters, and US Faro arm type. As for equipment calibration, Sinovo has a specific laser interferometer for regular calibration, accuracy retention, and adjustment of machine tools. Raw material supply chain management capability. Sinovo offers one-stop purchasing service and grows with its material suppliers, thus building up a close relation with them. Our suppliers cover sand casting foundries, forging plants, lost wax casting foundries, and centrifugal casting foundries, offering various materials like stainless steel, alloy, copper, aluminum, cast iron, etc. Designing and engineering outsourcing service of industrial parts. Sinovo boasts a professional designing and engineering outsourcing team, offering such services as drawing transformation, design output, engineering documentation output, 3D modeling, or customized professional service based on customers' demand. Our business, famous for reliable quality assurance, consummate manufacturing technology, and superior after-sales service. Sinovo is well recognized by customers of different industrial sectors and has established a stable cooperative relation with famous clients from the US, Germany, Japan, Finland, and Denmark. Credible latitude and reliable quality control, detail-oriented and well-organized teamwork. This is Sinovo since 1997.